it's day 2 of CES. Day 1 was pretty much a disappointment. It was a bit underwhelming. But I think one of the more interesting things that we saw yesterday was the FLIR stuff. And you can read all about that in Canon's article, and we'll share a link in the description box below. What else did you enjoy from day 1 Canon?
So I thought that the different drones that they had were pretty amazing. There was that one underwater drone, the dolphin. Yeah, right. And then there was the fishing
That's the one.
drone, which is really extraordinary.
Sure, looking forward to the craziness. I'm glad we're starting with the smaller location today at the Venetian at the Sands. Yeah, looking forward to the Sony booth for later today and see what they have to offer.
Our second generation doorbell, so it's currently out in the market. We have a new generation coming out in this year, Q3. It's 720p. It has a 180-degree wide field of view. It's Wi-Fi, so it uses 2.4 gigahertz, and you can do two-way talk through the device, and then it also has smart visitor detection. So if somebody comes up to your door and doesn't ring your doorbell, it will detect you there's a visitor. So if you ring the doorbell, you'll see on the app, view live video here. It'll load, and then you can see us there. And then if you want, you can talk. Hey, how's it going? Hard to hear with all the ambient noise as well. Yeah, and then you can, through the app, then you can see clips, different, like you see there, different visitors that were detected.
All right, and are all the clips stored in the cloud or locally? Or?
So the clips are stored in the cloud. Yeah.
Okay, so this is a subscription base, I assume.
Yep, subscription base. And then we also have 24/7 DVR capability as well with a device called Space Monkey.
All right, so this is one of the big things we're excited about this show. It's the Blink Video Doorbell. It's our latest products. It'll be available in the next few months, and we're really excited. So, like a lot of video doorbells out there, it has an HD video camera, it has motion detection, and when you press the button, it's going to send an alert to your smartphone, to the Blink app, and it's going to tell you there's someone at the door. It will start recording a video, and then you will have the option to join a live stream and have a two-way conversation with anyone at your door. And you can do that from anywhere in the world. So you can tell that package delivery guy, put it on the side of my house. So fantastic value for the customer. A lot of companies will do the functionalities, but what really sets this apart are two things. First is the price. So like all Blink cameras, since we had the Blink security cameras out for a while now, it's a no contract offer. So our cloud storage is free. Second, the video doorbell starts at $99. That's for existing customers, and $129 as a system. So that, between that and the no contract, it's unheard of in the industry. It makes an amazing value. So that's the first thing. The second thing that's really important to know about this video doorbell over the other video doorbells, or just in general, because we really like to focus on our products, is how easy it's going to be to install. We spend a lot of time on simplicity and making things easy for customers. The Blink Video Doorbell works on 2 AA batteries, and it'll do so for 2 years. So just like the other Blink cameras, you stick the batteries in and you're ready to go. You also will optionally be able to add it to your existing home wiring by just taking the 2 wires and adding to the poles in the back here. So what that means for the consumer is you basically put the 2 batteries in, you screw it onto the wall where you want it to go, and you're done. Within less than 5 minutes, you can have a modern HD video doorbell on your property.
Lovely. A few follow-up questions then.
Sure.
Does this work as a standalone system, or do you need to buy a bridge or a hub? Or?
So there is a small hub. It's about this big. It's not much bigger, much smaller than the video doorbell itself. Oh, there we go. So there is the Blink sync module. So this would be a standalone video doorbell system. So the standalone price is if you already have the sync module because you have one of our cameras, you can just add it as another device.
Okay. Does it currently integrate with any other smart home products, like a SmartThings Hub, or do you have any plans?
So for integrations right now, the Blink systems all have 2 integrations, IFTTT, I-F-T-T-T, and then we also have Alexa integration, which is you can use voice to arm and discern.
It's amazing.